connected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I am going to be installing the Journey magnetic tank bag from Rigg. This is the model NR150. So this is a great option for if you have something like I have the Honda 750 Shadow here and not really a good place to strap a tank bag on, and you just want to throw one on that's magnetic. This would be a great option. So this thing is expandable from 5 liters to 7 liters. It has a zip around part here, and we just expand it up. So the main compartment in here is actually 10 inches by 8 inches by 4 inches height. And then when you expand this up by unzipping it, then you will gain 2 more inches in height in case you don't have enough room and you need some extra room. Now this thing does also come with a rain cover pouch, which is pretty cool, so you can keep it totally waterproof. Most time you wouldn't need it on there, but if you're ever out and you know you're going to be in the rain, you can go ahead and take that out of the bag, keep it stored in here, slip it over, and you're going to be good and waterproof. So this thing also has leather-like material on the sides, on the front right here on the top, and all the way around, and that's really good to kind of shed water instead of soaking up water. So just a light little bit of water, you'd probably be okay. On the bottom here, it does have a protective base material that keeps it from scuffing your paint or scratching or anything. So as long as you keep this clean, you wouldn't want to get dirty and then keep it on there, because the dirt is what would actually scratch, like on any of these. But just make sure you keep it clean. If you keep it clean, it should keep your paint protected for a long time. As you can see, these flaps right here just fold out, and pretty much all there is to it is just sticking this bag right on the tank. That's simple. When you want to take it off, you just take it off, take it in. So it does have a carrying handle right here also that kind of just pulls out. So if you want to take it in, fold these shut, and then take this thing inside your hotel room or whatever you do, into your house, instead of leaving it on the bike. A lot of times too, you'll go to a restaurant and you wouldn't want to leave the tank bag on the bike. You can just grab this thing right off because it's not strapped down, pull it in, take it into the restaurant with you, and not have to worry about somebody taking it off of your bike. So it also on the front here has this clear part, and what this is a good place for you to carry maps. You can carry a GPS in here or your cell phone, and it is touch friendly, so you can still use your phone or your GPS, so pretty handy for that. This is just a advertisement part here that will come out. We'll show you here in just a little bit. On the bottom here, it does have a place, so if you have your cell phone inside here, then you can have your earbuds. If you have wired earbuds, you can have them running out right down here. There's a little hole for them to come out. And like most Nelson Rigg stuff, this have the lockable reverse coil zippers. So you can actually close these zippers and put a small lock through there, combination lock or whatever you got. If you wanted to lock this up. Now, of course, if you lock this up, I can still just take the bag right off your bike. So I probably would never lock it up. I don't any of my stuff. If you're really worried about it, you better off to remove it, take it in with you. This also has the reflective piping around the outside, so when lights hit this at night, this will actually glow, and just helps you a little bit with more visibility with the reflective piping. So when we unzip this here, on the inside here, we have this high-vis orange lining, which is really nice, so you can actually see, especially if you're getting in here and it's not real bright out and you need to see your stuff. It just kind of helps with contrast to be able to see your stuff. So it does have some pretty good pockets inside here. It has one right here, small one, mesh pocket, that is Velcro shut. It does have one right here that you can also put things in. And then it does also have this one on the lid that is a Velcro closure. So this one is actually a big pocket. You can put a lot of stuff like this. Be a great place for a pair of gloves. You carry your cell phone in here. I don't like to carry my cell phones in these because it's fine if the weather's fair, but if it's bright and sunny and hot, sometimes your cell phone will overheat being inside these. So on a good overcast day, then you'd be okay to carry it. But if the sun's out bright, I wouldn't want to carry your cell phone inside there. And then when we want to get to our visible front right here, all we do is unvelcro this, and you can access this to put in maps or whatever you want to do. Right there, you can see everything you put in here, so you can put your cell phone, GPS, or even a map. This is a good place for a map or notes or something. If you need notes to remember what you're doing through the day, you can just put them right inside here. So then as far as expanding this unit up, it's very simple. We got this one zipper right here, pretty much just wraps around. Bring it around like so. And then what it does is it expands about 2 inches here on this front portion. It doesn't actually expand on the bottom side. As you can see, it goes down to like a V shape. So you're going to gain quite a bit of room for carrying extra things if you happen to have more stuff than the bag will handle. Very easy to just push it back in and zip that right back up. So also inside here we do have our waterproof rain cover. So that will just go on very simple. I'll show you after I set it on the bike how easy this is to put on. It does also have this screen so you can see inside and see your maps or GPS, whatever you have inside the top here. So now we need to take this and stick it onto the bike and check it out, see what it looks like. Okay, so as I was saying, the cool part about having this magnetic is open this up. Here is this protective soft lining on the bottom. Gives you kind of some traction and keeps you from skidding up your bike and scratching it. And it's also extended out onto the magnets. So you have 4 magnets, one on each corner. You can see this leather-like material on the sides. You can see it on the front here with the Route 1 Nelson Rigg badge. So we'll take this thing and just lay it on like that. And that's all there is to put your bag on. And then when you're ready to go inside and you don't want to leave your bag on a bike, just grab it and take it off. It's that simple. And believe it or not, as far as it being mounted on there, I'm worried about it coming off. I don't think this thing's ever going to come off. I mean, it's really solid with those 4 magnets. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so right here we have the 100% waterproof rain cover. Very simple to use. It does have a pull string right here. So if you want to pull it tight and get the slack out of it, very cool. We'll take this thing, slip it over. We'll take and just slip it over like so. And then it does have these elastic straps that go over, and you put these right under the magnets like so. And this is going to keep it, just in case of a strong wind or whatever, keep it from blowing off. So you do that on both sides, and very simple to use. Keep your bag waterproof. So inside here, when we open this up, you can see the high-vis orange. We do have 3 of the mesh pockets, one on the lid right here, which is a nice large one. We have this one right here. Then we have a small one right up front, which would be a good place like for carrying your keys. As far as storing things inside this, there is plenty of room to carry a lot of stuff. Now this is not even expanded up, so a bottle of water fits perfectly in here. We can throw in a rag in case we need to clean our windshield. Throw in a flashlight, and we can even fit inside here a big nice pair of warm heated gloves like that. So we got plenty of room for big winter gloves. Close it up and zip it up. Inside here, I was going to show you the place for your cell phone, GPS, or map right inside this pocket here. So you can just slide your cell phone inside here like so. And then of course it is touchscreen. Anything we want to open up just like that works like a charm. Okay guys, that is it for the Journey tank bag from Nelson Rigg. As I said, this is part of the Route 1 collection, as is the road trip saddlebags that I have back here. This is all carried under a lifetime warranty. And if you go to my link below, nelsonrigg.com, put in the code at checkout, Woodzman20, you're going to save 20% off your order. And anything over $50, free shipping. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one. Ride on.